In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom rules in Outlook. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook open, and the first thing I'm going to do is move up to the top left corner and click on File. As soon as I click File, a menu opens on the left side with several options. From here, I'm going to select Options, which opens the Outlook Options window where I can customize different settings. Now that the Options window is open, I look over to the left panel and click on Mail. This section contains settings related to how emails are handled. Once I click on Mail, I look through the available options until I find Rules. This is where Outlook lets me create automatic actions for incoming or outgoing emails. From here, I click on New Rule. As soon as I click it, a new rule setup window opens, and now I can start defining exactly what I want Outlook to do automatically. The first thing I see is the field where I can enter a name for the rule. I click inside that field and type a name that helps me remember what the rule does. This could be something like move work emails or anything that describes its purpose. Now I move down to the section labeled Add a Condition. I click on it and Outlook shows different conditions I can choose from. I select the condition based on what I want. For example, this could be emails from a specific sender or emails with certain words. Once I choose the condition, Outlook will use that to identify which emails the rule applies to. After that, I go to the Add an Action section, I click on it, and now I select what Outlook should do when the condition is met. This could be moving the email to a folder, marking it as read, or another action depending on what I need. Once I select the action, the rule now has both a condition and a result. I also see the option that says stop processing more rules. If I want this rule to be the last one applied to matching emails, I check that box. This helps prevent other rules from affecting the same email afterward. Once everything is set, I move down and click Save. As soon as I click Save, the rule is created and becomes active. Outlook will now automatically apply this rule to incoming emails based on the condition and action I selected, and that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked File, selected Options, went to Mail and Rules, clicked New Rule, entered a name, added a condition and action, and clicked Save. Outlook will now automatically manage email mails according to the custom rule I created.